Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be making a scenery and this will be our final look. Let's get started. So first I'm making a line in the background to show the sky and the ground, and next I'm making this curvy path type of pattern to show the lake and the land. I'm making these lines to show the ground a little up. Next I'm making a triangle and doubling it in this manner, a straight line, a diagonal and join. Next I'm making 3 lines to make the house, and I'm making the middle one a little longer to give it a 3D effect, a door, a circle for the knob, another circle, and divide it into 4 parts, 2 rectangular shapes for the window, after this I'm making a small platform below the house. I'm making some grass, some bushes, two rocks. I'm shading them a little bit. Now after this I'm making a boat in the water. So first I'm making a curved shape, another curved shape to show the inside of the boat, a semicircle, a leaping line, bring it down and double the inside of the boat in this way and make slanting lines. Double 2 lines. I'm making a type of pattern the top and waves because it is a lake. You can add some fish or ducklings too if you like. Afterwards I'm making hills in the background, one behind the other. I'm making some bushes in front of them. After that I'm making sun in between 2 mountains and triangular shape for the rays. You can also make straight lines if you like. Next I'm making birds. And I'm shading in the house. After shading, you can also blend with a Q-tip or cotton. And our drawing is done. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and bye.